Hi friends, welcome to Adis DevOps. Today we are going to discuss about desired state. So in some production environment, there may be slight variations compared to desired state which is available in our local. But the changes may not reflect while we are going for Terraform plan or Terraform apply. As we previously discussed here, Terraform desired state and current state, the force us to change for the desired state as I already discussed. But in the production environment, or sometimes it may not happen when it will be performed like that. So that is the scenario we are going to discuss about. First of all, you are aware of it. We have two EC2 instances running in our AWS account based on our Terraform TF file. So we can check it here. Totally two instances are running. You can assume that maybe in some production environment they need to change the security group due to some reasons. So here I'm using one security group, that name is called trial. Okay, before going to change that, we can create one new group, create new security group name T or AF4 Terraform AWS EC2 trial. That description is mandatory. Create the security group. Once group is created, you can move there. In the EC2 instance, actions, security, change security group. Here we can type AWS. See the group which is created, Terraform AWS EC2. So add this security group and I am removing the trial. Save. Okay, here it is. In production environment, our EC2 environment, security group was changed by some person due to requirements. Okay, if you check in the Terraform state file, here it is mentioned trial, because while it is initially creating, it is trial or default like that, something will be have here. Okay, but we did one performance over our cloud environment. Now what will happen if we go for Terraform refresh? The state file will be get refreshed, and what are the changes updated in the cloud will be updated here. Now it is changed to Terraform AWS EC2 trial. This security group is updated in our EC2 instance. Same that also updated here. As per our previous video, if some changes are happened in the current state, whenever we are going for Terraform apply or Terraform plan, it will force us to change to the desired state, right? Now I am going for Terraform plan. Here it will display what are the changes are need to be done because of the cloud changes. Here it is saying no change. Here it is saying no change. But as per our discussion of previous video, current state must be changed while we are going for Terraform, must be shown whether we are going for Terraform plan or apply the desired state, right? Why it is not shown here? Because of in our desired state, in our Terraform code file, we have given only few things, aim and instant type. The previous video I changed or I terminated completely one instant, but that code was available in the desired state. Here in our Terraform file, that security group is not mentioned here. So Terraform not worried about that particular configuration, so that only it's saying no change. As far as desire file, this is a desire file. In this desire file, security group is not updated. So whenever the state file is updated also, the desire is not available. So Terraform saying that no change required. We need to be very careful while writing the desire file. What are the key parameters required for creating the services? Those things need to be updated here. Then only if someone knowingly or unknowingly changing the values in the cloud provider, definitely it will indicate us, and if it is needed, we can change the value in desire file, or we can come back to the desired state from the current state. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching Adis DevOps.